What's up, guys? Trevor Ross Kavinsky here. In today's video, we're going to pick up the Jordan 1 Lucky Green. I got them at the JD Sports in Greenwood Mall here in Indianapolis. I know a lot of you guys are like, I don't want them. They're bricks, this and that. I know there's like 236,000 pairs on sneakers this morning, but that's fine. I'm not selling them. I'm giving them away within Kicked because you know what? It's a giveaway time. It's giveaway time, so we're giving away a pair. But let's go look at this shoe. We're going to review it, and I'll give you my overall thoughts. And let me know, did you guys pick up pairs or did you pass on this release? And as always, one random comment, one random like will get a $15 cash out for me. Just follow my social medias down below. But I'll see you guys at JD Sports in Greenwood. Alright guys, we just showed up at the first place, well the only place today is Greenwood Park Mall. Last time I was actually here was the Reimagined 3s, so I'm glad to be back. I haven't done a pickup vlog for a while, so it'll be fun. We'll go in here, we'll see how packed it is. The parking lot's actually pretty dead, so we're ready to go. Alright guys, easy enough right there from JD Sports. There was like no one in there. I think there's like 2 other people looking for pickups, but that was one of the easiest ones. I don't actually know if anybody really wanted these Lucky Greens, but like I said, I would love to review them. I want to see the quality. I did pull them out the box for the thumbnail. They actually look pretty good. I think with a little lace swap, it's probably a slept-on Jordan 1, but we'll go review these when we get back home. And just like that, boys and girls, we did make it back home. We have our size 10 secured. We do have the normal Jordan 1 box, but it does have the green accents all the way around, which is pretty nice. Like I said, it is a size 10. This is my size, but I will not be keeping them. But let's go ahead and open up the box and look at this shoe. So there they are. There's that green. I know some people were asking me like the tint of the green or the actual color of the green. Is it bright? In person, it's not a really, really bright green. It's not super bright, not super dark. It's like right in the middle. Let's go and grab both these out and we'll go over them. And there they are side by side. Let's do our first check with the quality control. As we always do, we always got to check quality control nowadays from Nike because, you know, they be slacking every release, but it's a Jordan 1, so we'll see. You have some stitching problems going on right here. That's not a big issue. Around the toe box isn't looking too bad yet. Still looking pretty solid. I'm not seeing a lot of glue stains on them. You can see that quality of that leather. Look at the quality of the leather on the camera there. It does look pretty good. Overall, the right shoe's not bad. Just a little stitching issue. And then right here, let's see if we got anything going on. I'm not really seeing. Now there's a little something down here, but nothing too crazy on the shoe. Glue stains, minimal. So that's a plus when it comes to the shoe itself. But the leather, man, one thing I've noticed as I'm looking at them, the leather on these actually doesn't look too bad. I'm feeling it's actually pretty soft toe box. Pretty soft toe box. Not saying it's the best quality leather, but it's not the worst. I've definitely seen worse than this. It's giving me that Taxi vibe. These are definitely giving me the Taxi 1 quality vibes. If you have Taxi 1s, you know what those feel like. So that's what I'm kind of feeling when it comes to this shoe. Now they do come default laced up with your green laces, and they do come within a little lace bag with a black pair of laces. Now, like I said when I was walking through the mall, I think if you were to throw some black laces in these, this would really make the shoe look a little bit better. The whole green to green is not something that I would do. I'm not really a big green guy when it comes to a shoe like this. The extent of my green is SB4s, but on this is a little too much green going on. So if you were to hit green laces with all the green around the shoe, it would kill it for me. Like I said, I'm not wearing the pair myself, but those of you that do like green and love the Lucky Green shoe, it's not bad. Like I said, let me know what you think of the quality of leather all the way around the shoe itself. Like I said, start with the toe box. You can see the leather as we zoom in. When I squeeze it, you can kind of see what it looks like. Within the toe box and all the way through the back, you can see the green and what that quality leather looks like on the camera. Around your heel, you're looking about the same padding as your normal Jordan 1. And we do have that nylon type of tongue when it comes to it, with a green Nike Air on the tongue itself. But yeah, overall, the shoe, man, there's not a lot of demand behind them. I understand it's a Jordan 1. The Jordan 1 silhouette's kind of like, there were so many pairs. They pumped out so many. So the Lucky Green really isn't something that people are sought after. And there was a ton of pairs. So this shouldn't have been an issue for you to grab. Let me know if you are going to wear a pair of these down below. And let me know what laces. Let me know if you're taking these green laces out, because that would be the first thing I did when it comes to the shoe, was get rid of those laces. Overall, the aftermarket, you know what these are going to be. These are going to tank. These are going to be tank. These are not going to be worth any money on the resale market whatsoever. They won't be. I'm telling you right now. These are going to sit. These will be in your stores tomorrow. If you didn't hit a pair today, watch for your stores tomorrow. JD Sports, Finish Line, look for leftover pairs. FLX will have them. Maybe even your Nike stores will have them sit on their shelves. So if you haven't grabbed a pair, don't worry. Do not pay resale on a pair of these. Do not do it. Get them for retail or even discount. Now, for me, I got a $20 off because JD Sports, you know how it is. JD Sports be hooking it up. So, guys, that's overall what I think of the shoe. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning into the live stream today. If you have any questions for me, you know where to find me. My Instagram is right here. If you need help securing shoes like this, Kick Notify right up there. We'll take care of you. We have one-on-one support. We'll take care of you with anything you need to know. And as always, guys, one random like, one random comment, we'll get a $15 cash out for me, simply because I love y'all. You guys are the best. I want to show my love because you guys are supporting me every day. But, guys, you guys have an amazing Saturday, and that is it for the Jordan 1 Lucky Green. But that's it, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.